And lots of merch from the movie Wicked. It says fabulously wicked. It's Elphaba on the shirt. There's a Elphaba lounge fly. That one's, I think, $95. And then Elphaba glasses. Elphaba's hat, which is $35. This one says know your power. This one's $60. Elphaba, it says wicked. Black skirt is $40. And they have Glinda's pink skirt, which is also $40. This one says toss, toss. It's good to see me, isn't it? This one's $60. And then here's Glinda's lounge fly. That one's $95. And then this one here is $75. More Glinda stuff. And then there's Volume Spa. Perfectly pink yuzu. Oh, this is heavy. How's a candle? $48. Over there they have a shirt with both Elphaba and Glinda on it. $37. Elphaba little headband hats. $20. Glinda's bubble wand for $25. This is a Wicked hat and it's reversible. So what side is that way? And the other side is this way. $28. Pop. Funko Pops. This is like a purse too, but looks like books. This is $85. And there's two dolls. Elphaba, and I don't know what the other teacher's name is. And then they have a Wicked tumbler for $25. This is a metal tumbler too. It's a Wicked spirit jersey for $85. It's a big W on the front. It says Wicked defy gravity on the back, and both Glinda and Elphaba are in there. Here's a shirt that says Wicked. $37. Wicked hat for $27. Wicked fleece blanket for $39. Wicked tote bag for $30. And this is like that bumpy cup. This one's $34. But so far it looks like there's only the green one. And then this one says, some of us are just different. For $40. This is $22. I think it might be just to hold like your keys or something, put it on the table. This one's a pink shirt. Even though Glinda and Elphaba are both on it, it's $37. There's some wicked Lego sets. There's no price. I don't know. Doesn't seem to have a price. So there's that Lego set. Then there's this Lego set. And then this big Lego set. This one says, I was born to be awesome, not perfect. This is $60. And then over here we have, it turns Elphaba or to Glinda. This is a keychain. This is $15. Then there's, these are pins. So one's Glinda and one's Elphaba. Oh, this one's 10. It actually has liquid in it. This one does not have liquid. This is $12. And this one has both Glinda and Elphaba. This is $37. This is I don't know what this is. I think it might be an infant's. It's a room fragrance. So I think there's one for Glinda and one for Elphaba. There's the wicked jacket. It says Defy Gravity. This one's $60. So that's also the items for the Wicked movie, at least in the Universal Studio store.